All right. Raihana, come. We start now. Come, Raihana. Turn on your video, please. Okay. Assalamualaikum, everyone. Do you do the question on 27? You're done, Zaira? Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me, not? Can you say something? Hello. Can you say something? Okay, good. Okay. So we're going to start. Raihana, we are starting now. Raihana, come turn on your video. And here we go. We're going to start sharing, and we're doing question number 27. Let's see. Okay. Raihana, can do this question? Can? Have you done? Done or not yet? What's your answer? You're going to show me. Zahira, your answer? You got your answer, not? Zahira? No. You're not. We can do this now, lah. Unless you have your answer.
2,300 ml.
2,300 ml. Let us see question 27 whether this is correct. Congratulations. Hey, wait. 2,300, and then the final answer they say is 2,500. Okay, never mind. We'll run through shortly. We'll run through shortly. So you got one part of it correct, I think. Let us see. So you have a rectangular tank, 30 cm, 12 cm wide, 20 cm high, is filled with 2.3. So 2,300 is this you have converted. You have converted 1 liter is how much? 1 liter is equals to how many thousand? 1,000. 1,000 square cm, cubic cm. Okay. Just hold on. Just 1 second. One second. Okay. So what we have done, Zahira, Raihana, is 2.3 liters is equals to 1,000 times 2.3. So you get 2,300 cm cube, correct? That's how much water there is. So we got to find out now. The question is saying, if you are going to fill it up to 2/3, they want to fill it up to 2/3 full. How much is that? So why don't you find this times this times this, then you times by 2/3. Can you all find out? You can use your calculator for this one. Are you confused? Confused? You want to find out 2/3 of the tank. How many cm? You find the whole thing first. Can you find the volume, the whole volume, how much you get? Can? What do you get, Miss Raihana? What happened, Zahira? Okay, what's your volume for that?
Seven 7,000.
7,000. That's for the whole thing. 7,200. 30 times 12 times 20. You get 7,200. Okay. So that is for the whole tank. Oh, who is coming in? Okay. So that is for the whole tank. 30 times 12 times 20. You get 7,200 cubic cm. This is for if the water totally full, but they want only 2/3 full. So you take 2/3 times 7,200. So what do you get? 2/3 times 7,200. You will get 4,800. Shafika, you there? Shafika, your volume is on, Shafika. I think the speaker is very loud.
Okay.
So can you see Zahira and Raihana? How we get 2/3
Can I
times
take something?
sure, take. 2/3 times 7,200, you get 4,800. So at first now you have 2,300. 2.3 liters is 2,000. Now at the end, they want to know how much more water must you pour in. So what is the answer? Singit lah. Aduh, sakit man. Kepala. Where is your other friend, Sophia, Cik Pia? Cik Pia is not here. She's late from school. How come all of you guys are all off ni? What's wrong? Your cameras must be on. Otherwise, I cannot see you. I will stop the session straight if I cannot see your faces. Yes, okay. Thank you very much, Shafika. The other two, what happened to them? Okay, Shafika, have you done this question? You have not done, you can try first while we go through shortly. Raihana and Zahira, okay. Please turn on your video because otherwise I'm talking to no one. Okay, so you can complete it. What's the answer, Zahira? What happened? The video kept on, off, on, off. Raihana, are you there?
The answer is 2500.
Okay, so very
You
easy.
go take something first.
Sure. Take it. I thought you have come back. Okay, never mind. Okay, we're going to move on to the next question shortly. Shafika can get 2,500. Is it easy, Zaira? Easy, right? Okay, we just wait for a while more. What do you study in school, Zaira? What topic are you doing? Don't know.
No, my teacher give
Exam
practice
paper.
paper for P5 one first because you know that our P5 very bad. So
Okay.
he give us P5 practice paper. Every week got one practice. So
Good. How do you do? Do you pass the paper? How much you get?
out of 45.
Out of 40, you got 45 out of?
No, it's out of 45.
Okay, then you got how much?
What? 25.
25. Okay, that was just pass. Okay, which part you get wrong, you can always send me the questions, then we can go through down here. I can give the question as homework for everyone also. Shafika, can you get? Or you are looking at my working? No. Okay, so I just run through. I do not know where Raihana is. Okay, so again, you have at first 2,300 cubic cm of water, which is 2.3 liters. Then we find the total volume 30 times 12 times 20, then get 7,200. 2/3 of that is 4,800. So 2/3, this is 2/3, 2/3 of the tank. So in order to from 2,300 to get to 4,008, take 4,008 minus 2,300 equals to 2,500 cubic cm. Okay, so easy, yeah? I do not know where Raihana is. Raihana, are you back now? Or you're taking something? Still. Okay, so this is the answer. We move on to the next question. All right. Question 28. How much did she score for science? Rahana, you know how to get the... Okay, never mind. We'll move on to this, Rahana. Later, maybe at the end, I'll go through you question 27. Okay, remind me.
Is the answer 77?
For this one.
Yeah.
Okay, let us see. 77 or not. Yes, the answer is 77. Okay, later I will have a look at your working. Meanwhile, while you are doing while the rest are doing this, we will ask. We refer to 27 first, Rahana. Okay, so we have at first that's 2,300, right? Cubic cm. Then we find the whole volume is 20 times 12 times 30 or something. You get 7,200. So you're gonna find 2/3 of that. 2/3 times 7,200, you get 4,800. So 2/3 of the tank is 4,800 cubic cm. So at first, there's 2,300. So you minus 4,800 minus 2,300, you get 2,500. Okay, not so difficult. Huh? Let's see. So can you show me how you did this one, Rayana? Do you have
My mom got send you the photo.
Yeah, but how you're working? How is it? You know how to do this question? Okay, later we go through. No problem. Okay, wait, hold on. Huh? I cannot just hold on. Huh? I stop share. Let me see. Good. First step correct. Second step correct. Then okay. Yeah, I think more or less. I think you got it right. Okay. Well done. Are you getting better at maths now, Miss Rayana? No. Why you say that? Why you say that?
I just getting a little bit better.
A little bit better. Maybe we got to practice the timetable and all. No? Okay, we'll where are the other two? Okay. So here we go. Let me just Shafika, you done already? Okay, what's the first step? You all know what's the first step? First step is, Rahana? Your first step is correct? I mean, you got the sum. 76?
76 times 3.
Times 3. Shafika and Zahira, you know why, right? 76 times 3, yeah? Yeah, I want to find the total. So it's 210,228. Correct, yeah? Rahana, 228 is correct, right? Okay. Then you minus this one. This, you know this amount. So 228 minus 86.
142.
142. Okay. So now you have this time, this, how do you find out? So now here now, you can minus, you know this must be 60 something, correct? So you can minus 60 first and see what's the possible answer. So you can do it like that. Huh? You can do the last part like guess and check if you do like 142 minus 60. What's your answer? Oh, you get 82. Cannot be because the last part must be 7. Then you must try 142 minus 61 because we cannot see this part here. This could be 61, 60, 63. So we try until we get a back down here 7. You get it now? You get 81. 80. 81, yes.
60 plus the 7.
Sorry, 60 plus 7.
60 plus 7. Then
Yes, well done. Where do you get that? Where you get the method from?
I don't know, I just randomly do.
Okay, so that method is actually, you are correct in that, but the 7 is on the other side. Randomly do, okay. Then 142 minus 67, what do you get?
75.
So down here, your answer is 77.
Yeah, then the 7 changed to for the 7.
And then the 5 goes to that side.
Yeah.
Okay, you are correct if you do the method. Huh? Okay, so I'm just going to do this simple method here so that everyone can see that I try 62. Because this number here can be 60, 61, 62, 63. So you get 80. Until I get a 7. And when we try the right number down here, 63, you will get 79. And then after 142 minus 64, you get 78. Then the next one, 142 minus 65, you get 77. So now what Raihana has done, she says, we know the first part is 60 something. Down here is 7. So she takes 60 and the 7, she combine together, she gets 67. She take 142 minus 67, she'll get 75. So she put the 70 down here, 77, and the 5 is 65. You can do that method if you understand. That's correct, actually. That's correct. But answer down here is 77. Shafika, you get it, Shafika? Zahira, you get it? Easy, yeah? So you can use halfway guess and check, no problem. Okay, the next one now. Okay. Have you done this, Rayana? What's your answer?
The answer 30.
30, let's see. 29. The answer is 20. Never mind. Okay, can you try again? Anyone else get the answer? The rest are not done, I think. Okay, we try. Muffins, cookies, and shortbreads. Number of muffins is 1/3 shortbread. Can you WhatsApp her? I will WhatsApp the mother lah. Okay. Okay. Then you just give me a moment. I'll just go out for a while, and I'm WhatsApp while you, because I'm using my phone for Sophia. Okay, so I'll go back to this thing. Okay, here we go. I've already messaged them, and let's hope that they will. Okay, you try this. Rayana, you try again, Rayana. Let's see. Number of muffins, 1/3 number of shortbread. You can draw a model if you want to. 5 less cookies than shortbread. Total number of muffins. They give you the total number of muffins. It's easy lah. You give you the total number of muffins. Okay, that means it's easy. What? If the total number of muffins, total items altogether is 135. See, I'm not reading carefully. Okay. The answer is 20 is correct, but let us see how you do. You got to draw the model. If you don't draw the model, it's going to be difficult to. Apa terjadilah, Shafika? You give me a headache. Seeing you the other way around, I will probably have my head sangat. But if there's no other way, then never mind, at least I can see you. Okay.
Can change like that.
So can change what? Can change, right? The camera setting. Okay. Come, Shafika, what's your answer, Shafika? You look very fresh, as if you just woken up from sleep. No. Zahira can do? You lah tired lah. Zahira can? Shafika can? Rahana can? Rahana tried already, but we can. I will soon draw the model. Okay, I will draw the model. You can see the model. Okay, you know, you can see now with this small screen, you can see. Can, right? I'll draw it big. So the least is muffin. Muffin is 1 unit. Shortbread will be 1, 2, and 3. Because the question states the number of muffin is 1/3. That means 1 out of 3, or 1:3. Can you see 1/3? It can also be like ratio, no? 1:3. Now this is shortbread, this is muffin, and you have one more, which is called cookies, right? The cookies is 5 less than the shortbread. So you draw, why don't you draw the shortbread like that, another shortbread, but you do like that, the gergaji gigi. Can see now? Okay, I'm going to draw out of here. Can you see this thing now? This thing says muffin is 1 unit, muffin is 1/3. There's shortbread, there's 3 units, muffin must have 1 unit. And cookies is 5 less. Down here is 5, roughly. 5. Why I draw this? Because I do not know where to draw. That's why I'm using the like teeth like that. This whole thing is equals to 135. Now, if I add 5 more cookies, I will get the same size as a shortbread. If I add 5 more cookies. So I want to add 5 more cookies. So I will have 140 cookies, shortbread, and muffins. So I already plus 5. The whole thing now is 140. I will get what? I will get this. Watch, I will get this. 1, 2, 3. I will get 3 units because I plus 5 already. Okay. So altogether is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. 7 units is equals to 140. 1 unit is 140 divided by 7. Now how to do? Cover the 0. 14 divided by 7, 2, 20. 20. So 1 unit is 20. Muffin is 20. Then they ask you to find what is muffin. You got the answer. 1 unit is 20. Cik Pia is coming in now. Okay. So we go back to the question. And the question says, all right, find how many muffins did she bake. So all we need to do is just find 1 unit. So you got the answer. How Zahira can do? You understand? You're looking blur lah. Why? Zahira, you understand, Zahira? Shafika, understand? Do not know whether answer. I have to give you another question lah. Sophia, are you there, Sophia?
Yes.
Are you okay? Ready? Wow.
Yes. Sorry, just now I forgot got tuition.
Oh, we all made it 5:30 for you. Some of them were contacting me. At before 5 o'clock, our sister Rahana is ready log in, right? I got an email. Okay, I'm going to give you another question. This question is like this, something like this. You try. Okay. Now you say, la.
Can I copy this working first?
Yeah, you can copy the working. Can you see the working? Can,
Okay.
Lower sikit. Okay, you can copy the working. Copy the working. But I'm gonna upload this within 1 day normally. I leave it to you. I have one student, she doesn't want to watch the video because she doesn't like her own voice. What about my voice? Okay, I'm going to give you another question. I'm going to write it here while you figure out the question just now. Lala has some muffins, shortbread, and cookies. Okay. Are you ready, Zahira? The amount of cookies is twice. Done already.
No,
Okay.
no, I cannot see.
Mr. Shaheed, I don't understand.
Yeah, because you don't understand because you didn't read
I
the
cannot see
question.
the next question.
Yeah, I have not written the next question. Okay, okay, okay. I will now write it here lah. Okay. Okay. Lala has same thing, a bake. Okay, same thing, some muffins, blah 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 lah. Same thing. Okay. The number of cookies is twice the. You see, I'm coming this out with this question just like that, no? Twice the number of shortbread. Okay. And the number of cookies, sorry, not cookies, muffins is 3 more than the cookies. If there are, okay, just hold on, I'm going to calculate now. You
Mr.
can go,
Shaheed,
yes,
can I change the that one to my phone because it's
Sure.
not working.
No problem. Okay, just one moment. I'm gonna find out what's the thing. Yes, just a moment. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Now, if there are a total of 103 muffins, shortbread, SB. Hey, ya Allah, where is the muffins? Okay, shortbread and cookies all together. Find
The 3 also.
what?
Okay.
Now 3 more, not 3 less. I change slightly. Okay. Find the number of cookies.
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes.
Then the unit
I
must.
didn't join.
I didn't join.
You didn't join? Oh, you are trying to join. Sorry.
Rana, you leave first.
Never. Okay, let me see. Okay. All right, Rana. Suddenly you tell me you didn't join, but I can see you there. But it's okay. You're using 2 devices. It's okay. It's good. Find the number of what altogether? The number of muffins. Okay, you try to do this one. You can do it. Sophia?
The total must plus like there's someone plus 5.
Must plus 5, must plus 3, or I do not know. This one I say more. Just now was less. You must draw the model, then you can see. You must draw the model. Ika, why? You look so unmotivated, Ika. What happened? Are you angry? Sometimes.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
can I see the working at the back?
Okay. Can you see the? I don't see whether you can see. Can you see? Is it big enough? So you remember when your teacher goes through the answer and you copy, it doesn't mean you already know. No? You understand for that moment, but you've got to do the question again at home when you already forget about the question. You must try it again, then you can master it.
Mr. Shaheed, why is it 135 plus 5?
You see down here, the original one is 5 less. So I do not know how to draw 5 less. Is this 5? Is this 5? I don't know. So I draw the gigi gergaji. That means it can be anywhere actually. But if you plus, because cookies is 5 less than shortbread, if you plus 5 more cookies, you will have the same number as shortbread. So I want to plus 5 more. Why I want to plus 5 more? I want it to be 3 units. So I plus 5 more here.
So the answer is 140.
140 is the new number because I already plus 5 units, 5 cookies. At first, there was 135 like this. This is a model for 135. But once I plus 5 cookies, it becomes like this now. Full 1, 2, 3 units here. And the whole thing becomes 140. Altogether now I can count the number of units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I did not plus, I do not know how many units there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down here, I do not know how many units. But when I plus the 5, I know there's 3 units. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, let us see whether you can get the next one. Rahana, how can get that, Rahana?
What's the final answer for the next one?
The answer?
Mm.
What's your answer?
40.
40. Yes, you're very close. I think you forgot one more step. What is 1 unit?
20.
Good. You got 1 unit already. But you forgot to do something. Remember, there are more muffins.
Okay, I know.
So what's your answer?
Oh, must plus 3.
Yes, because there are 3 more than the 2 units.
You mean 23 times 2?
No. 1
Oh,
unit is 20. This
oh,
one is
40 plus 3.
yes.
43.
43. Okay, the answer is 43. Can get 43, not? I would not rub this question. How to
what to
okay.
do? The total number of muffin is 3 more than the cookies.
So you find what's the number of cookies first. Can you get 1 unit or not? Can you get 20 for 1 unit?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, so repeat the
No.
question. Okay, Lala,
No.
I read out. Lala baked some muffins, cookies, and shortbread. The number of cookies is twice the number of shortbread. So I am going to draw now down here. Number of cookies is twice the number of shortbread. Means shortbread must be 1 unit. Cookies must be 2 units. Because the number of cookies is twice. So 2 units, shortbread 1 unit. And then the number of muffins, they say, is 3 more. Okay, I draw down here. 3 more than the, so I just put plus 3, actually. 3 more than the cookies. Altogether is 103. So let's count the number of units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this one, how many units? I don't know. I better throw this away. I better minus this off. When I minus it off, I get exactly 5 units. So I better minus 3 also down here. Becomes 100. If I minus 3 here, I must minus 3 here. You must remember, this is like a seesaw. No? If down here there's 5 units plus 3, and down here is 103. If you minus 3 here, you must also minus 3 here. Otherwise, when you play seesaw, if you don't, it will not be balanced. This is an equal sign on here. So if you minus the 3 here, you must also minus the 3 here. So you get 5 units is 100. So 1 unit is 5 units, 100. 1 unit, 100 divided by 5. So cover. 10 divided by 5 is 2 at 120. So this is 20. This is 20, 20. There's 40 cookies. Muffins, 20, 20, 40. Plus 3, 43. Can you see? Now you must also look at this one now. I go back to this question now. Some of you are confused. Why I draw something like this? Okay, same thing. Just now was 3 more. Just now was 3 more. Now is 5 less. So where do I draw the model like that? I don't know where. Later on, remember, we want to, okay, down here is 10135. So how many units is 135? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how many units? I do not know. But if I plus 5 down here, they say that it becomes the same as the shortbread because it's 5 less. So I want to plus the 5 cookies so that I know how many units there are in the cookies. I have 1, 2, 3 units. If I plus the 5, I get exactly. Then I know the total number of units is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this one, if I plus just like seesaw, you plus, let's say 3 kg here, and someone is sitting here, you must also plus the 3 kg, otherwise it becomes sangat. You get it? No? I will give you another question. You all look not so sure. Shafika, you get it? Shafika, you look very sleepy. You got dark circles around your eyes. You have been, what have you been doing at night? Okay, so now this is okay. I'm now going to give you another question. Right? Same thing. We're going to change this question. Lala baked some muffins. Okay, muffins, sorry. The number of cookies is 4 times the number of shortbread. This one. And the number of muffins is 7 less than the cookies. This one, hold on. I'm going to give you the number. You can draw the model first. I will just calculate the cookies. All right. Shortbread, okay. Muffins, okay. All right. Is 83. Altogether, there's 83 muffins, shortbread, and cookies. Okay, you try to solve.
Mr. Shaheed.
It's less, less, 7 less, yes?
Oh, nanti.
7 less. So your drawing must be, model must be like the one down here. Remember the gigi. Aduh, Alice 4. I cannot answer your call. Just hold on. I'll put the Wi-Fi on. Come on. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Hello. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Ya, Bu ya. Aku tengah mengajar, Bu. Ya, ada apa, Pak? Si aja saya tengah mengajar si. Kan,
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
we end at 7 eh?
Yes. You sound sad. Don't be sad lah, please. You want to end earlier. We must ask Cik Pia lah what time she come back. Sophia, what time you come back? Today you come back early or not?
Yeah, just now I come back at 4 something, but then I forgot
We
about
want to take something.
No problem. Take whatever you want. No issues.
I can go toilet.
Yeah, you want to go toilet, then we come back and continue, no problem. Okay, you want to do whatever, but please come back.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, don't go so long. Who is that? Shafiq. But it cannot be Raihana. It cannot be. See, what are you taking? I'm taking a sweet. Okay, anyone got the answer? Nice. Husna is not wrong. Zahira, what's the answer? Not yet. Rahina can do? Sophia? Seem to be enjoying. What are you eating? It looks delicious. Chewing gum, eh? No. What's the answer, Rahina? You got the answer. I can see it. Not yet. Not yet.
You can answer 40 also.
Yes, but that's not the final answer because you must remember that the number of muffins is less than the number of cookies, 7 less.
Okay.
Is the answer 33?
Congratulations, Miss Sophia.
Yeah, my answer is 33.
Okay, well done. All right, Anna? Okay, you tell me now, right now. They say the number of cookies is 4 times the number of shortbread. So which one is lesser, shortbread or cookies?
Shortbread.
Shortbread may let it be 1 unit. So cookies will be
4.
4 units. Okay, so you got this already. You already got this. You're now, then they tell you that the number of muffins is less than the number of cookies. But how many units to draw for muffins? I do not know. But we know that it's 7 less than the, so I can draw like this. I can draw like, sorry, I can draw like this. I can say down here to here is 7. I can, but it might not be accurate, right? It might not be accurate. Okay, if you want, you can just draw like that also. If you are confused by the gigi, so what you do, you can say, you say 7 less. So maybe down here 7, maybe. Possible. Okay. This part you understand? Okay. So the whole thing now they say is 83. So this is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. This one from here to here is how many units? Rayana, do we know? We don't know. But if we plus 7, if we add 7 more muffins, we can get the same as the cookies. So I want to plus 7 here. Why? Because I want this to be 4 units. Then I can count the number of units I can divide, you see? So now I'm going to plus 7 here, and now my muffins is going to be right until here. What do? I just plus 7. All right, so I can get 4 units here. But I must also plus 7 here. You see, you're on a seesaw now. Okay, you are sitting here. All right, this is you. And then your father puts a 7 kg sack of rice down here. This is your brother. At first, it's balanced, you know. Okay, once you add, you'll be heavier. Okay, so when you add down here, you must also add weight down here, so that it's balanced. So down here, you have to add the 7. This one becomes 90. And 90 is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. 9 units, 90. 1 unit, 90 divided by 9 is 10. So this is 10 cookies or 10 shortbread. This is 10, 20, 30, 40 cookies. Muffins, 40 minus 7, get 33.
Alright.
Okay, so I tell you what, if you need more, I think you revisit the video. Okay, Husna Shafika, where are you, Husna Shafika? Are you here?
Yes.
Shafika? Hey,
Yes.
turn on the video, Okay, now,
Already
we on, okay, I tell you what.
Mine. Sorry.
Can we try this? Raina, have you gotten this answer? It shows an overlapping ratio.
Wait,
Okay, I tell you what, this one, you do this as homework. But what's your answer, Raina? Anyone did this? Sophia, you didn't do this. Only Rahana did.
my mom forced me to know.
It
The
is
answer
good.
is 6.
6. The answer for number 30 is not 6. It is 3:5. Probably it's 5. Let me see, what did they ask you? Find the ratio of the shape. So 3:5. Okay, never mind. I do not want to do that yet. I want you guys to do something easier, because your motivation seems to be lower now today. So we are going to do, I will send you this paper later. This is 2018 prelim exam. Prelim exam means the SA2. And we are going to do the first part first. Okay, this one we don't need to do yet. Don't need all this. I think you can do as homework. We'll do the ones that we find. Okay, can you try question? No using calculator. Question number 5. Rahana, wake up. What happened? Tired. You're schooling today, is it? What to do? COVID time, we don't need to. So can you please find what is 1 bag of sugar without a calculator?
Can you edit something?
Anyone? Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Sophia. You did it mentally, Sophia? Working. Can you try to, you know how to do mentally? Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, thank you very much, Zahira. We are waiting for, okay, and Raihana. Raihana ada penat lah. How many cameras this girl? Okay, just need to divide by 4. That's it. You divide by 4. You do your long division, you can divide by 4. For me, I do it mentally. What do? I want to divide by 2, then I divide by 2. Because you divide by 2, you're actually dividing by 4. If you understand that, then I take 60 cents, divide by 2, I get 30 cents. $13, what's divided by 2 is half of 13 is $6.50. So plus the $36.80. Then I divide by 2 again, I get $3.40. If you want to learn that method, I can show you. You can do things mentally. Okay, I'll just show you how to do this mentally. Okay, so now you have $13.80. Now $13.80, we want to divide by 4. But since it's quite difficult to mentally divide by 4, I divide this by 2 first, and then I divide by 2 again. When you divide this by 2,
Wait, sure.
yes,
Is the answer 2.40?
240 or 340?
240.
240. Okay, we check. I'll show you. Let's see. Now,
Oh,
13.
wait, it's wrong.
Okay, so down here now I divide by 2. I can divide this mentally by 2, no? I get 40 cents.
Hello.
$13, I divide by 2, I get $6.50. Correct? Is it correct? Salah lah. Salah. So where did I go wrong? 30 to 40, 6.50.
I know how.
Okay, what's your answer? Sorry, what's your answer? 340, is it?
Yes.
340. Okay. Is my question correct or not? 1360, no wonder lah, no wonder. Okay, 1360, not 40. Okay, look lah. You can divide this by 2 and divide by 2 if you want to do this method.
Wait, the answer is 3.45.
340. No, I gave you the wrong question. So, I gave
Means the answer is 240.
Okay, we try both ways. We try this way first. 1360 divided by 4. You get 12 over here is 3. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8, so it cannot be 2. So down here you get 1, you bring down 6, 8 over here, 16. 3, astaghfirullahaladzim. Where the 14, 16 is 4, 340. So how do you get 340 from here? You can divide this by 2, you get 30 cents. This one you divide, $13 divided by 2, you get 650. Now can you see this is 680? Mentally I know 680. I must divide again by another 2. When I divide by another 2, I get 40 here, I get $3 here. So we'll try, can we try? We try. Whose speaker is that? Maybe you want to reduce your speaker. $7.20. Divide by 4, but mentally. You divide by 2 first. Divide by 2 first. What do you get? 20 cents divided by 2. What do you get? Hello? 20 cents divided by 2.
10 cents.
Good. 10 cents. Then $7. Half of $7 is how much? Half of $7. $7 divided by 2. How much is it? $7.
350.
350. So 350 here. I add the 10 cents, become 360. Now divide by another 2. Divide the 60 by 2. What do you get?
30 cents.
$3 divided by 2. How much you get?
2.5.
No, not 2.5. $3 divided by 2. Half of $3.
1.5.
Then you add down here, you get 180. If you don't believe, use your calculator. 720 divided by 4, you will get 180. Do you know how to do this method? Who is that?
Raihana went.
Shut up.
Right, Hannah. Okay. All right, never mind. Okay, so here we go. what you can do is, how do you know what number to divide? Okay, this is mental. I think this is how some of the smart students do. They can get it fast. So let's say now you have 480 divided by, let's say, we divide by 6 lah, let's say. Or not 6, we divide by 6 lah, let's say. This one, you can divide 480, you can divide by 2 first, and then divide by 3. Why? 2 times 3 is 6. That's how you know what numbers to divide. Why do I want to divide by 2? Because mentally I can imagine half. So what is half of 480? Oh, 240.
Oh.
Then divide by 3. After that. So 24 divided by 3 is 80 cents. You see, I can do it mentally, you know.
Are you sure?
Sometimes the number is too big. Okay, let's say we try now this one.
100.
$10.80 divided by 4. Okay, you divide this by 2 first. What is half of 10?
5.
Good. Half of 80?
40 cents.
Good. Now you divide by another 2. Half of 40 cents?
20 cents.
Half of $5?
$3.50.
No, not 350.
250.
250. Then you add together, you get 270. You don't believe, you take 1080 divided by 4. You use your calculator. Do you get 270?
Yes, I don't know.
You don't know this method?
I know.
You know, we try. Why do I want to teach you this? Because your calculation becomes faster, no? Okay, we try now. Next one. Next one we try, yeah? 100 divided by, okay, divide by 2. What's your answer? 5, 4,
50.
50.
50. Okay, if those of you do not know, you cover the thing. 10 divided by 2, 5.
5.
Add a 0, 50. Okay, so I'm going to give you another number.
So
2,400 divided by 40. And go. No calculator, huh?
500.
500. Anyone else? Wrong answer.
Huh?
600.
600.
Calculation.
So you cancel the 0, cancel
Oh,
the 0.
600.
Cover the 0. 24 divided by 4, 6.
60.
300.
60 is
60.
also. Yes.
Wrong.
You must cancel the 0, cancel 0.
I forgot.
Then cover the 0 down here because there's 1 0 here. 24 divided by 4 gets 6. Add the 0. We try again. Okay. 1, 5.
Divided by 2 by
15,000 divided by
300.
300.
300.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cancel 1, cancel 1. Cover the 2
300.
zeros. 15 divided by 5, 3. Add the 2 zeros. 300. Well done. Well done. We try the next one. Huh? Next one.
Seventy. 70.
70.
Cancel
70,
1,
correct.
cancel 2. Cancel 1, cancel 2.
70.
Cover the 0. 35 divided by 7.
500. 50.
0, 50. We try the next one.
Can we try do our multiplication later?
Yes, we can. But this thing, you need to find out how to do first. We do a
I
last
want to try one.
Okay, you try.
Oh,
Yeah?
I thought you divide by 5. 500. Sorry. Why so many?
I can't see.
Can't see. Now?
$400.
120,000.
1,000.
1240.
10,000.
No, got one more zero.
120000.
No.
0.
Wait.
No.
Teacher, my only got
It's
4 zeros.
1, 2,
0.
0,
4 zeros.
0.
Yes.
Okay,
Three
cancel
zero.
1.
12000.
Oh, 0,
It's
0,
3,
0.
0. My one same as Rahana.
Okay.
3 zeros.
Cancel 1, cancel 2. Cancel 1, cancel 2. 48 divided by 4. Now, if you do not know how to do this, divide 8 by 4. What do you get? 8 divided by 4? 2. Right, we cover this. Huh?
I 4 divided
4
by
divided
4, then 4
1.
by 8.
Then you add one more 0. 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So add 3 zeros. So again, we cover the 3 zeros. 48 divided by 4 is 12,000. Okay, you know how to do, right?
Yes.
It's easy, right? Okay,
Yes.
I need to reverse now. I need to reverse. See whether you know how to do this one.
Reverse what?
Reverse. Sophia, you know how to do, no, Sophia? Yeah, you're looking at, Sophia, you're looking at something else.
490.
You see, I can see. That's why I need the camera on. When I have the camera on, I know what you're doing.
What is times?
Hold on. Okay.
Yo.
Times the...
40.
4.
4. Correct.
Eh, times lah, not divide.
Oh,
Oh,
4.
0.
wait.
4 million.
36 0.
6.
Is it correct?
36 0. I think so.
Yes, correct. Huh? So 12 times 3. If you do not know how to do this, 1 times 3 is 3.
You have the card.
2 times 3 is 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Since you know this, good enough. Okay, here we go back to the question. Okay. Now, this one you know how to do. Bar chart. This one be easy. You can do as homework. Since you got no pie chart, never mind. I can just practice pie chart. This one you're not doing. This one, remember number 7. There is no. This one out here. Hey, who put a cross there? This one we already know this method. Okay, what is the answer for this one?
I thought you got go through already before.
Have we gone through this one? Are you sure? Maybe it
I
looks
think
similar.
yes. Oh,
Maybe
the different one. Different.
Got do my school class.
Yeah, maybe your school have. So you know what's the answer then?
I think I know.
Okay, what's the
Let me
answer?
try.
Okay, first, let's see.
Wait. Sorry. 65. Wait.
I did this question before. Like my teacher teach me. Is it like her to 65 plus?
Yes.
There's a simple way.
So what's the
Is
simple?
it 65 plus 1 divided by 2?
Answer is 1.
Answer is 1. Okay, never mind. We'll go through in a moment.
Is it correct?
What am I talking about?
Is it correct?
I'm not calculated yet. Now I'm going to calculate now. Your answer is number 1, is it?
Same, number 1.
Number 1 is correct. Are you guessing? Are you guessing?
I do. I get because got I think got 5 group. You can make 5 group, right?
Give me
Then I
5.
take 65 divided by
Oh, I count.
5. After that, I got 13, and then I count 1 to 13. Then I got square now.
Oh, like that.
I count like 1, 2, 3 until 65.
Okay, I cannot. No, don't. Okay, so how you get 5? Down here, see, repeated every 4. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, this is like number 1. Okay, so I show you
Wait, this question always come out when I do like practice paper.
Yes. So now, you can see this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. So if let's say, for you to understand, the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is same as 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because this is all the same shape, which is the first one is what shape is that? It is all square. Then down here will be triangle. Then down here will be circle. Then down here will be trapezium. So every 4 is multiples of 4. So if I take now, let's say the 20th one, I don't need to, I divide by 4, I get 5 exactly. So 20th one will be on the 4th one, you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, the 4th one, can you see? So how to find out which position? Okay, let's take number 5. Number 5, imagine we do not know a square. 5 divided by 4. So 5 divided by 4, you get 1 whole minus remainder 1. You look at this one, remainder 1. Oh, 1. So this is square. Let's say now we take 7. 7 divided by 4. Oh, get 1 minus get 3. So 7 must be the third position. 1, 2, 3 must be this one. So you look at the remainder. So the remainder now we try is actually what? 65, right? We want to see 65. So let us try 65. Hey, you all run away. Hello. All of you put your videos off. Don't run away. Hello. divide by 4, what do you get? You get 1 minus 5, then you get 24, you get 6. But you're not looking at this number, you're looking at the remainder 1. So when it's 1, this is the first position. So now I'm going to ask you now, can you find what is the 107 position? What shape is it? 107 position. And go.
107.
Yeah. Based on this question, I'm going to show you the screen again. Based on this question, what is the 107 position? Same question, but I want to know 107. Raihana, you there, Raihana? Look at what I did. The remainder is the one that will tell you.
Remainder is 1.
Is the remainder 1? Down here, remainder 1, so it's the first position. If remainder is 3, it's the third position. If no remainder, means the fourth position.
I don't understand.
Okay. Let us now go back to this one. You look at this one. This one down here.
Wait, why do we 5 divided by 4? Why 4?
Why 4? Because every 4 shapes, it repeats itself. Square, triangle,
Oh, I mean,
circle.
why 5 and why 7?
Okay. So now why 5, 7? I'm just giving an example. If let's say you do not know the fifth one. So how to find out? Well, you can take 5 divided by 4. Why divide 4? Every 4 it repeats. You get a remainder of 1. That means remainder of 1. This is a square. You divide by 7, divide by 4. The remainder is 3. Oh, it's the third one. The remainder will tell you. If no remainder means the last
If
one.
you want to find like this one, right, is 60, what? 65.
65. 65?
Means you take 65 divided by 4.
Yes.
My answer is circle.
Okay.
So now circle, congratulations.
I cannot see your question.
So 107.
107. Oh, so.
Rahana, are you there?
Yes.
Can you do? Video on, Shafika, video on. Why your video is off? Your audio should be off. One of you, your audio should. Otherwise, I'll listen to what your brother is talking.
Everybody shut up first.
No. Just.
shut the tower.
I'm done.
Okay. So 107. Do the same thing. Divide by 4.
But later got.
Remainder how many? What's the remainder? Remainder is how many?
Wait.
I will have to give you my own question again.
Wait. Later.
Yes, I do.
What are we doing now?
Yeah, I'm waiting for them to tell the answer. Okay. 107 divide by 4.
My answer is circle.
Circle, correct. So then you get 8 over here, 2, right? Divide. Minus 2, 27. Then this one you get 24, you get 6. Your remainder is 3. So 3 is down here.
Answer is circle also because
Circle.
the remainder is 3.
Okay, I'm going to show you my next question. My next question down here, there's 5 items. Repeated pattern. This number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 position, 7 position, 8 position, 9 position, 10 position. It's like that. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I want to know what is position number 72. What shape is it?
Five.
Five?
I mean, the
Trapezium.
last one.
Trapezium. 72 is the last one. Why you divide by 4? There's 5 down here.
Yeah, my answer is square.
Square, congratulations. Shafika?
Yeah, the remainder is 5 what?
No.
The remainder is 2. The remainder is 2.
Wait, 72 divided by 5, right?
Yes.
Isn't the remainder 5?
No, the remainder is
the
2.
divide- Okay, our sister now forgot what is. Sister, look at this. You divide by 5. This is not the remainder. This is the number you divide by.
No!
D4?
Answer is 4. No, the remainder is not 4. Okay, let's
The
see.
answer is 2.
Oh,
Two.
2. Correct.
5 down here. 1.
I go put
Two,
the top one is
14. 20, right? Got 4 down here. 22 minus 20, you get 2. So 1, 2. This is a shape. The shape is the square.
You do another one.
Okay, we do another one. Now down here, Raihana. Can you get it, Raihana? Can you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to find position number 159. Position number 159, what shape?
Wait, what?
Sun. Teacher Sun.
Sun. What about Miss
Oh yeah, the sun.
Sun? Okay.
Correct or not?
Sun. Okay, Rahina?
Same.
Sun.
Sun. So you take 159 down here, divided by 5. You get 15, you get 3. Then you bring down the 9, 5. Your remainder is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sun, correct. So I'll give you another type of pattern so that you are able to do so. Okay, you tell me the pattern now. You tell me the pattern. First one will be what? Star. Okay.
Face.
What?
Nothing.
Okay, let's say now.
Heart shape.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Heart shape.
Heart shape. Oval. Semicircle.
Oval. Semicircle. Some more?
Rectangle.
Rectangle dah.
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay, triangle. Okay, enough. So there's 6 shapes on here. So the first one is always star, then this one, then this one, then this one, this one, and then it continues that way until millions and millions. So this is number 1, position 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, position 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I want to know what is position number 1015. 1015. What is the position? What shape?
Shape 0.
Huh?
There's no shape.
Why no shape? If it's 0, no remainder, that means it's the last one.
5 or 6. Oh, there's 6. I thought 5. I cannot see the last one. Sorry.
It's okay.
Answer is star. Answer is star.
Answer is star. Okay.
Yes.
What about the rest?
My answer is the triangle.
Triangle, if no remainder, then triangle. You divide by 5 or divide by 6 or 4?
6.
Sophia? 6. Then how come 1015 got 6 got remainder lah?
Answer. Answer is star. Number 1.
Try choke on my saliva.
Saliva?
Wait.
Yeah, I choke on it.
My answer is star.
Same.
Same, huh?
Star
So now
also.
we see how we get star. Divide by 6, you get 1 here. Then you have 4. Bring down the 1, 40. This one, 36. That's why your timetables got to be good, you see? It's 6. 5 down here, 55. You bring down. This one, you get 54. 54 remainder 1. 1 is down here. So you know how to do this type of pattern. It's actually very simple, you know. All right. The
Can do one more?
You can do one more, can. But whenever you see this question, next time you think, got to do. Very simple. Just divide by the number of set and find the remainder. Easy, no?
The last time PCLE question, something like that, but different, you know.
Yeah, it will be slightly
The last
different.
question.
The last question. Okay. You want to move on? Or you want to do one more? One more. Okay, one more. Then I give you very simple one. I give you very, very simple. Okay. You can see, no? Let's see. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now is for the position number 98. What shape is it?
98.
Yes. Remember, if no remainder means it's the last one. Huh?
My answer is the number 3, square.
Square. Yours got no remainder. Tak ada remainder.
Got 3.
Hey, how come your remainder is 3? Your calculation is wrong, lah, miss. Ana ada remainder 3.
No, I mean number 2, circle.
Circle. Shafika?
Remember 2.
2, okay. Sophia? Circle. Shafika? Okay. Circle. Rahana?
Circle.
Circle. So divide by 3 down here, you get 9. 3 down here, bring down the 8. Can only minus 6, right? Down here is 2. Remainder is 2 also. So 1, 2, that's it. So this sort of question is not so tough. You don't need to worry, okay? Don't need to count how to do guess. No need, no need. You just try this one. But we will try more and more later on. Okay, now we have question. Now we have 20 minutes more. So we try now. It's like this. The length of each side is, I don't know. Okay lah, we do this one. We do this one. The length of each side of a square is an even number. Which one of the following can be the perimeter? Square, this one square, all sides are the same. You find one side. Is it an
24?
even?
Is it 24?
24, she says, Miss Zahira says 24.
Miss, this one after you plus everything, right?
Yes. Okay, thank you, Sophia. Shafika and Rahana, why are your videos off? Both of you, your videos are always off, no?
I need to
Okay.
off it.
Why?
I just need to off it.
There must be a reason, right? Okay, but
So
anyway.
I got outside.
Okay.
I think outside better.
All right, so now you just divide it. Shafika, you answer? Zahana, your answer?
Wait, what's the question again?
Question. That's why without seeing the video, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, the length of each side of the square is an even number. So they give you the perimeter here. You divide it by 4. What do you get? Okay, 44 divided by 4. What's your answer? 44 divided by 4.
44 divided by 4 equals 11.
11 is not even number, so it's out. 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4.
36 divided by 4 equals 2.
9.
9 is not even number, so it cannot be. 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. 6. 6 even number possible. Yes, it is. 15 divided by 4, there's remainder, so not possible.
Not possible.
So answer is number 2.
Okay, correct.
Okay, easy, yeah? Now we do
I want to do that one.
this one, yeah, this one we must do.
Do one very hard, no.
Okay,
Actually outside.
you may say pie chart is not part of it, but we're looking at the ratio. We're looking at the ratio.
So why your voice like that?
No water, no water.
Itu you makan Dark Vader je.
That video being care, this is like, oh man. But you
Yeah, Dark
already know.
Vader sound like old man.
All right, let's try Darth Vader. I know pie chart is not tested, but this is more ratio and fraction.
What's pie chart? No.
But don't worry, just imagine it's
I don't
ratio.
want to know pie chart.
Why?
But I never learn Python, you know.
It's
But
like
you know how
that.
to do. You know how
I
to
don't
do.
know.
You don't know
I
how to
don't
do.
know how to do. I don't know.
I will learn.
Pie
Okay.
chart is like a pie.
Okay lah, then we move on. We move on.
But
We move
pie,
on.
big pie.
Okay, we know.
Of course, got the
Sorry, Sophia. Sorry,
triangle.
Sophia. Your friends are not wanting to the thing. Okay, this one. Pole. You know what's pole? In Malay, it's called pola.
Rotan.
Rotan is pole. Salah.
Pole.
Okay,
Pole.
you must know what's a pole.
Pole.
Zahira, what's a pole?
Bila?
I realize that the Malays in Singapore, they do not know. Sophia, what is a pole? Pole.
Besi.
Besi is metal.
It's like
Start the letter T.
Soda.
T-I.
Tangan.
T-I. T-I-A.
Tiang.
Yang.
Tiang.
Hey, how can an Indian man be teaching you Malay lah?
You Indian. I also
Yes, I
what?
mean, but to some degree
And Zahira.
we have been Malayanized lah. So we are speaking Malay. See? Okay, so okay.
Nice wait.
All right. Okay, thank you very much, Miss Sophia. Are you passing your mock test, Sophia?
for science, right? I got 44 over 56.
Wow, not bad. What about for maths?
For maths, I'll have another test this Friday.
Your last test? Do not know.
My last test,
Oh my god, guys, I just found out when it's our PSLE.
Oh yeah, by the way, next week is
Next
our
2 weeks.
Next week our
Prelims.
prelim.
Next 2 weeks our prelims. My answer number 2.
Exam.
2 weeks or
next
3?
next Saturday is our English prelim oral. English
Yeah.
Saturday.
Saturday no school, right? Wait, what's your index number for
Yeah,
PSLE?
Saturday is our prelim.
My index number
English
25.
and Malay.
I see. I see. I see. Okay. So
Next Saturday.
I thought Saturday no school. What's your index number?
We have to go to school for prelim, lah, boy.
okay, come. Here we go. Now they say that 1/4 of the pole is painted white. So you have a pole down here. 1/4 of it is like 4 parts. 1/4 painted white. So this is 1/4 here. And then they say half of the remainder. This is the 3 units, we got to halve it. So in that case, we halve all of them. We halve all of them. We halve all of them. So you got 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6
Answer
units,
3 over 8.
7, 8, yes. So now when we halve down here, that means down here is half, right? This is painted red. So the remainder is 1, 2, 3 units, 3 out of 8. Another way of doing it, very simple. We change the 1/4 to 2 over 8. So if 2 over 8 is
You
painted
take the
white,
remainder, right?
yeah, remainder. 2 over 8 is painted white. That means 6/8 is the remainder. So divide this by 2 because it's half. You get 3 over 8. That is your balance 3 over 8.
If I do branching method easier.
Okay, you can do branching method also. Is it faster for you?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, Ken. So long as you understand the method. So long, because there are many methods. Of
I know
doing,
model also, right?
yeah, just now I just show you model here. You
Yeah.
know, I just show you
Ah, your
model.
model so different.
Okay, you wanna see the model again? I'll show you another type of model. Okay, we can draw the model like that. I draw a pole because it's tiang, see, going up. But okay, you want tiang, I do not know. So you have 4 parts down here, right? So 1/4 is here. This is white. And then the rest is the balance. Half of it. So half is right in between here. So we are cutting this into 2 parts. So let's cut this into 2 parts, cut into 2 parts, cut into 2 parts. So there's 2 parts is white, 6 parts balance. So now 3 parts will be red. Then the balance another 3 parts. So this is 3 out of total 8. That's one way of doing it. Okay. All right. Here now, next one is okay. Here we go. We do question number. Okay, all these, I think the ones that we don't need to do 13. We do question number 14. Question number 14.
Mr. Shaheed, I don't understand the question.
Okay, so now you have a ribbon. You cut the ribbon into 2 parts.
Means 1 unit is 20. I
1
don't
unit
know.
is 20. Almost that. So you can see this. Oh,
What's that?
okay, it's a baby. So now your ribbon is cut 1 part and then this is 3. 1:3. This one is cut some more into 5 parts. So in order to do this, okay, I'll just show you. I'll give you another question in a moment. Okay, so now down here, we drag now short and long. This is short piece. This is long piece. At first is 1:3. And then this one is further divided to 3:2. This one now. But the problem is there's 3 parts. This one got 5 parts. What number can we use to make them have the same number of parts? There's 5 here. There's 3 here. What number? You know what I'm talking about? What number, Sophia? This is 5. We want to divide this 3 to the 5 parts. So you can take 5 times 3 or 15. So now watch. I'm going to make it to 15 parts. There's one 15 parts. How to get to 15 parts from 3? Oh, I times by 5. So I do the same thing. I times this by 5. I get 5 is to 15. Let us test whether this is equivalent, still the same. If I divide this by 5, I get 3. I divide by 5, I get 1. That means it's still the same. 1:3 is the same as 5:15. Now you can divide into 3 parts and 2 parts. But total is 5. This one total 15. Total 5, you times by 3. You times by 3. You get 9:6. 9:6 is 15. Now you can do. I'm going too fast. I'm going too fast. Okay. I will now draw for you also. I'll draw for you. Your one part, this is short piece, is to long part. This one long piece. This is 1 unit. This one I can get 3 units. So 1:3. But they say, no. We want to change it to 5 units. I say, how to change to 5 units? 3 units here. Okay, we change it all to 15 units. Because 5 times 3 is 15. So every one part, I divide to 5 parts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now can you see now I can do it? Do what? Well, if I do the same thing here, I must also do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, what's the new ratio? The new ratio is 5:5, 10, 15. 15. Another way of getting just times by 5. You get 15. Times by 5, you get 15. Now this part now, they want 3:2. 3:2. Well, I can get 3:2. Hold on, how to get 3:2? I can divide it 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. This is 3:2. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. Oh yeah, 3:2. So 3:2 total is 5, right? How to make 5 to 15? Oh, I times this whole thing by 3. So I times by 3. 2 times 3, I get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. I times the 3 by 3. I get 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now, if this one is 9:6, I get 15. So I divide 9 parts and 6 parts. This is the same as 3:2. Why same as 3:2? I divide this by 3, I get 2. I divide this by 3, I get 3. So it's the same. So now, I've just given you your answer. I know you sound blur because I'm going fast, so never mind. That's why I do not want to do slightly, okay. The shortest piece was 20 cm shorter than a longer piece. So now down here, from here, I'm going to put this down here. This is, remember, 1 unit. This is 3 units, right? So that means if I draw it down here, this is shorter piece. Longer piece is here. They say the shorter piece is shorter than the longer piece by 20 cm. So 20 cm, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units. So 1 is 2. 10 units is 20 cm. 1 unit is 20 divided by 10 is 2 cm. So it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Down here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is 10 cm. This is 30 cm. So what was the length of the ribbon totally? 10 plus 30 is 40 cm. But I know you sound lost because I'm going very, very fast, is it? So now we go step by step. Okay, step by step now. I teach you one by one. You try, okay, this question now. Okay. I have one piece of ribbon all together at first. At first it's like that. Then I cut. There's 1 unit here, 3 units here. So the ratio is 1:3. So short piece, long piece. Okay. Okay so far? Now this long piece is like that. I want to cut to 5 parts. Why 5 parts? Because I want one part, I want 3, the other part 2. So the total I want to cut 5 parts. But at first I got one unit and 3 units. Yes, but I want to cut this to 5 parts. So how? Well, we cut it to 15 parts lah. Divide to 15 parts. Why? Because 3 times 5 is 15. You understand this part? Not 3 times 5, 15. Good. Yes, you understand. Where is Raihana? Raihana is missing. You don't understand. Aduh, you don't understand. Okay, I'll tell you what. This one you do as homework. Okay? You try to do as homework. You try to do as homework. You try lah. You try. Because you're too tired already.
So when can we go back to the center?
We are not going back to the center. I told them we are not going back to the center.
Why?
Because among them, you know, it's a haunted place, right?
No.
Why
Sophia,
got hunted?
You saw, right?
Wala.
Sophia, you saw the momok, right? You told them about it, right? Okay.
What? So what?
I do not know what Sophia saw. What do you see, Sophia?
Mr. Shaggy, can you... Okay, you said
Okay.
this is homework, right?
What?
No, wait. Okay, that one is homework, but
I want to
let
go
us,
back to the center.
why you want to go back
Yeah.
center?
After
I want to bring my
I want to play
friend.
catching.
Yeah.
That's why you're not going for tuition, you're playing
I
for
want to touch
catching.
it. I want to go.
Shaggy,
Because it's
Alah,
easier to
please
learn
lah.
face to
You
face.
remember the lady don't allow you to solat there? Do you remember?
No, then you don't have to
Yalah.
solve that. So another place.
And then every time I will kena scolding because the toilet is all wet. So, never mind.
Mr. Shaggy,
Yeah.
can you tell us a story?
Astaghfirullahaladzim. What story do you want to hear?
A funny
Scary
story.
story.
Wait, why you say that center haunted?
I do not know whether it's haunted or not. According to Sophia, you say takut.
Why Sophia?
I don't know, you asked her. She must have seen something there.
No lah.
No.
I
My
just
God.
don't like.
Just an
I
eerie
just don't
feeling.
like how it looks like.
Maybe it's
Okay,
too
what? You mean there's like 2 less people?
Yeah, maybe it's too few people.
Yeah.
Ask
But
my
do you
friend.
know?
Then the spare room is like so.
Okay. What do you want me to? What do you want me
I want
to?
a funny story.
Okay, did I tell you the
Yeah.
story about the day?
I want to go back to the center. I want to buy McDonald's.
Same.
Now it too.
I want to buy bubble tea.
Aduh.
Play catching.
All fat.
Your PSLE is 3 months time.
Hey,
you are
catching is
thinking-
not fat.
Yeah lah.
Okay, but anyway.
Exercise.
So you wanna hear the story or you wanna do this
Okay,
question?
the story.
Here story.
Okay.
Okay. So this story, I think I told you this story. Did I tell you this story about when I was in Sec 2?
What?
The
Oh, you
idea.
pull your pants?
I told you about that.
Yeah. I don't funny story.
Then what story you want?
I want
Oh,
scary
funny
story.
Yeah, already
I want
funny
scary.
lah.
I want scary.
Okay.
Haven't yet.
Funny.
Funny.
The maghrib lah.
I'll tell
Oh,
you this
scary.
story.
Haven't yet lah.
Okay, it's not really a scary story. It's a true story. And I was working in Malaysia at that time.
Okay.
Now this.
So far, I want to hear
Sorry. Okay,
Just here lah. Later time I move up. Your boss keep talking.
what happened is I would be driving home from Shah Alam to this place called Shah Alam 2, Shah Alam 2.
Oh, I know.
What is that? And then on the right hand side, I'm told was the place where Atantuya was murdered. You know who's Atantuya?
What's that?
Tu ya.
What's that? I thought there was like a place to solat.
So they
I
found
know Atahiyatu.
not Atahiyatul, Atantuya. Atantuya is a Mongolian lady.
Mongolian.
Yeah,
Itu soal.
What's that?
lady.
How to
Mongol
spell her
from
name?
Mongol. Atan.
How to spell-
I will get you the
AHA.
TTA.
Yeah, but anyway,
Why?
what happened is when they found her body was everywhere. That means someone had put a bomb inside her body and she
She eat bomb.
gunpowder.
she just exploded. And they found out, in fact, this is on the news, is on the documentary channel on what happened actually.
When is it?
This happened, I
20?
think, about 10 years ago.
The body all different.
2010.
Place or
Yeah,
same?
different place around there.
Body parts lah, not body.
The body parts, yes. The body parts. And they found out they caused her to explode using a C4. C4 is a military thing. So then they found out, some of them say, is the ex-Prime Minister of Malaysia's girlfriend. Where she
Why?
became pregnant, actually. So she became pregnant. What happened is she started asking for money. And finally, one of the soldiers go and put a bomb inside her and she just exploded in the jungle.
So bad.
And I didn't know, I was passing there until someone said, do you know that's where Atantuya was? And the father came. The father was an ex-ambassador in Mongolia. Ambassador means they would visit other countries as an official. So they went to Malaysia asking where is the daughter, because they have the daughter's passport, and the daughter's passport show that she entered Malaysia, but she never left Malaysia. So
Ah,
if you check Najib, Najib is the name of the prime minister last time, and Najib,
why can you kill people?
you, what?
Also cannot kill people. I thought.
Yeah, but if you have power, sometimes people will forget, right?
Oh yeah, because president.
And then this will be a scandal. Can you imagine? You are the prime minister, you have a girlfriend, and then you have a child somehow. They say better get rid of the evidence.
Oh yeah, later that one also get trouble.
Yeah, so she,
That's not scary.
yeah, just because one of you say you want scary, one funny, so I
Yeah,
just tell you a true story.
Okay, I want scary.
Can
Scary.
spell the
See?
person name?
The Atan tu ya, spell the name.
Fake.
Okay,
A fake scary
ATT.
story.
fake scary story. Okay, Atan tu ya. I think Atan tu
Wait, I think
ya.
I know what.
You check. I think like that.
Found
I
it.
think ATANTAYA.
You write Mongolian.
TUYA.
You can put Mongolian lah.
Ew.
Oh, her
Najib.
name actually damn long.
Ugly.
No, this is not.
Just kidding lah.
Down here.
What's
So
the
you can check.
murder?
Just kidding.
Mongolian
Just kidding. Just kidding. Just
You can put down here Atantuya murder.
A Mongolian national was a murder victim who was either
See, she's telling
murdered
the story.
by PTN or
Oh my god.
RDX
Yeah. that means-
explosives
I
or
cannot
somehow
even-
killed.
Okay, I show you guys. I show you guys. I show you guys.
So you're gonna show. So I'm gonna stop share. You show.
How share screen?
Wait,
Yeah.
Atantunya what?
Mongol lah, Mongol. You put Atantuya Mongol lah. So you
So
want to
Sophia
share?
can share screen.
Okay, can share screen? I already allowed you to share.
Okay. Wait.
Who's gonna share?
How?
Me.
Can see your screen. So nice.
Share.
Face. Hira, I cannot hear you.
How are you doing?
Okay, I will
Wait,
share.
wait.
We are waiting for Sophia to share her screen.
Okay, I share my screen.
10 years later, I was fair.
1 million years later.
She was asking for money because she was the middle person.
Wow,
you
what's
should-
this? I can
that's
see
the
girl
Mongol.
haram
no,
seh.
yeah, this is the actress.
What, really?
This is
She?
not. Yeah, this is the one. This one. Hey, don't show
She
all this
died.
lah. She,
So haram seh.
she's the one who. So if you want, you can check lah. You
That's
can,
her.
yeah, you can check this. Okay, I will just show
She
you.
looks
Very
like
simple.
Chinese.
Yeah,
Slash
Mongolian.
Malay.
Mongolian kan? Mongolian.
Mongolian.
Lol.
What people?
Mongol people.
I don't know Mongolian people.
There's
Malaysian
Mongolian.
people lah.
also. Okay, so
I never heard of that before.
Mongolia. Okay, Mongolia is near China. Mongolia is near China.
Check.
So-
That emperor.
Atantuya. You will see AL.
Sari Bunsan. Who's
Eh, I
Sari?
have sign.
That's her name. That's her name.
1000.
Her
So
name.
ugly. Why is she so ugly?
Who is she? Is she
Yeah.
the one that killed?
Yeah, no, she got killed.
So
She's
she
the one
got
who
killed by the
exploded.
soldiers.
There down here you can see.
So bad there. She got
Sharibuin.
children already. She got
She was
child.
pregnant. Yeah, she had a child before.
Altanunya. Whatever.
Another one. Can you see Najib Razak here?
Abdul Razak
Her murder
Baginda.
case is
Or
significant.
Razi. Or Razak.
Yeah. So you can read about this.
The
It's a
murder, I
true
saw
story.
murder on top there.
Yeah, there's murder lah. It's murder. She.
Okay, whatever.
There's a-
Can you, Mrs. Shahid, can you please
Murder of
tell us a scary
Ali.
story that is
Okay. Okay, this Sunday then I'll tell you a scary story.
So you say I
No.
can't do about it.
Now it's Margaret. No, Margaret.
How
Now-
about funny
That's
story?
what
Do you know what is behind you now, Sophia? You cannot see, right? Yeah.
You want to see what's behind me?
Okay. Yeah.
There's
I can't
nothing
see the
behind
other.
Oh, behind me is my sister. Behind me is TV.
For you is above you
Behind
lah.
me got nothing.
Okay,
Behind me
we
got
will stop here. We'll see on Sunday, and I will think of a scary story for you. You sure you want scary story?
Thank
Yeah?
you. Bye.
You sure? Okay. Assalamualaikum. See you.
Homework? Is it homework?
Yeah. Homework is paper one. You do that paper one, the whole paper one.
Okay.
Okay.
Send me.
Okay.
Send me.
Yeah, I will send you all. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.